kasi may hawak yung garter. Kaya what we will do, you will do is slow dance lang. We will play our music, you will do a slow dance. Pero, as you end your dance, gusto namin isuot mo yung garter. Hindi yan. Kahit pamaba lang. Okay? Para good luck lang. Okay, naging si Johnson. Okay, ilang pala. Okay, yan okay lang ba? Kahit pamaba lang. Sige nga, game din ha. So, again, slow dance, and then you put the garter after like a few seconds, okay? DJ, play the music. Slow dance. So, ladies and gentlemen, we give you the first dance of Johnson and Lian. Slow dance. Hawakan mo sa baywang. Ayun na, the initial contact is here. Johnson, ikipin mo naman. Ikipin mo naman siya. Ayun o, yeah. And then you will now put on the garter slowly but surely in her left or right leg. It doesn't matter. Konti lang, dahil conservative tayo here. Hindi tayo na ginawa ni Richmond a while ago. Nakailangan sila. So ladies and gentlemen, give it up once again for Johnson and Lian. Congratulations. Kumahala na kayo. Exchange numbers. By the capital yan, i-swap o i-kapwa na o. Thank you so much. Clap your hands once again for Johnson and Lian. Thank you for being here, guys.